Welcome to Pool Supplies Canada. Now that you've selected your pool, it's time to pick your equipment package. We have a couple of choices for you. I'm going to explain the differences between our standard package and our deluxe package. The standard package comes with a 1 horsepower Hayward PowerFlow 2 above ground pump with an accompanying 19-inch sand filter and the sand required to use the filter. You'll also receive 10 feet of 1.5-inch PVC flex pipe, along with standard vacuuming equipment, including the pole, the hose, the vacuuming head attachments, including skimmer net and vac head, and brush. You'll also receive a complete complement of isolation valves or shutoff valves, along with various fittings, clamps, Teflon tape, so that you can properly connect from the pool to your equipment and back again. Our deluxe package offers some significant upgrades along with some additional products that don't come in the standard package. The first upgrade will be that you get a 1.5 horsepower Pentair OptiFlow pump, along with an upgraded cartridge style filter. This pump and filter combo will allow you to reduce maintenance, conserve water products, and potentially conserve heat from the pool. It's also quite a bit easier to look after than a traditional sand filter, and filters the water 100% better than a regular sand filter. In addition to that upgrade, you'll receive all of the other standard equipment pieces that came in the standard package, including our standard vacuuming equipment with pole, vac head, brush, net, and various other vacuuming attachments. You'll also receive 10 feet of 1.5-inch PVC flex hose, along with the accompanying shutoff valves, isolation valves, and fittings, along with clamps, Teflon tape, to be able to connect the pool to your equipment and back again. As well, you'll also receive some really nice upgraded options like our Rhino floor pad, which acts as a barrier between the liner and the ground, and will sit on top of the base that you prepare for the pool. It goes directly under the liner and fits perfectly inside your pool. To complement this product, we've also provided you with the pool coving. Coving is required in all above ground pools. You'll either make it from sand and pack it around the outside wall, or you'll use these easy to install foam cove pieces that will not break down over time like traditional sand cove can. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact one of our pool specialists.